All right, it's Wednesday morning, getting everything ready to packed up, move out. I'm bringing all my tools today because I'm not gonna take a chance on anything falling off while I'm on the road. Um, we're meeting up with some friends this morning for breakfast, and then we're heading down to Cracker Ranch, which is part of the Jeep Beach Experience. We're on the road. It's about an hour from Jacksonville to it's essentially Denellen is where Cracker Ranch is. I wasn't able to get my Swayloc disengaged because I got the wrong fittings. So I have some more fittings coming. So tomorrow I should be able to get those set up. Power steering still. The hydraulic, I still can't turn fully to the left. I'm going to be working on changing the configuration. The bracket that I got from PSC doesn't hits my Rock Crawler Pro X tie rod when I'm going to full lock on the left hand side. So I basically stubbed it out with a bolt. But I mean, the Jeep seems to be driving fine. We got the leak worked out. We had a leak in the PSC system that turned out to be just a gasket. Everything seems to be going fine. Like I said, the only issues that I'm having are I can't turn fully to the left, and we're going to be doing the course today with the Swayloc in the rigid position, if you will, because we can't get the Swayloc disengaged. I may attempt to do it manually and block it open. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens when we get out there. Yeah, so we're headed to Jeep Beach, kind of. This is our first, we're just doing the off-road experience today. We've got a beach rental for Friday and Saturday when we're going to be interacting with the vendors. But this is just an update on the status of the Gladiator and what's going on right now. I can say, with the Swayloc that it is definitely more rigid, more like when I'm making turns. Before, when I had the anti-rock, it would dip. Like when you're doing a tight turn, it would start to dip in. I can definitely feel a lot more control in turns. I don't feel like I'm losing steering because the frame is dipping to the right or to the left when I turn. So I'm really excited about Swayloc. We'll give you some more updates about that, like how it works, what kind of articulation I'm going to end up getting out of it. But I mean, of the products on the market, I think it's probably one of my new favorite modifications, and especially so once I get it hooked to my S-Pod control panel, because that's the nerdy tech stuff that I like. I've basically got everything figured out for that part of it. But like I said, we're going to see what happens today, and then all of these things are all easily remedied mechanical things. The only difficult thing I think is going to be trying to figure out where to put the steering ram so it doesn't interfere with any of the other steering. So that's what we're doing. We're on the road now. I'll update you as we go. So all of this video is video that I shot at Cracker Ranch that day that we went. Wanted to share it with everybody to show you what the Jeep Beach Offroad Experience was like. We just finished at Jeep Beach. We literally got back today.
Um, my take on the Jeep Beach Offroad Experience is that for as many Jeeps as they have there, that maybe they should put a little bit more time into building their courses. I felt like this course was a little bit lackluster. I wanted to talk a little bit about the Swayloc. I wasn't able to get it disconnected when we were there because the fittings coming from the ARB compressor are a 1/8 to 1/4 for the Swayloc. But I didn't feel on this little obstacle course that there was a lot of need for any articulation. So it was still a comfortable ride. I didn't air down when we were out there. Um, I felt like though the on-road driving was superior to the Rock that I had on it before. I'm excited to see once I'm able to get it disconnected how it does off-road. I also am excited to get the rear installed and see how that works out. Um, yeah, I mean it's a really nice system, so I'm excited to show you guys um, how that works and get it running for myself. So thanks for watching.